In this project, we'll discuss how to create Christmas tree. Until now, whatever the commands we have learned, that will be applying over this project, and we'll move ahead. So we'll start with this project. So initially we'll be creating this particular tree. So after creating this particular tree, we have to surround a spiral helix, and then we'll move to the star placement. Let us start with the trees. So how to create the trees? So for creating trees, you have to go to geometry, and within geometry you have different options, and out of that options you have to select AC extended, and you have to go to foliage. Once you go to foliage, here you have couple of different parameters. So you have to go to this particular pine tree and drag and drop here, and this will be okay. I'll be okay with this. You can have a quick render to just look into the exact output. So this is the tree and the render view. So I am okay with this. From different views you can have a look around. So typically these are the different locations. So I'll stick to this top view, and I will surround the helix. So I'll fit this particular view. So I'll switch off the grids. I'll go to F3 so that you can see while drawing. So for creating helix, I'll go to shape, and I'll go to helix, and probably this will be my center point, and this is not aligned properly, so I'll switch off the auto grid, and probably this will be my center point, and this will be my helix, and give some height and top radius, maybe probably like this. So I'll go to the front view, go to F3 so that I can look around this. So what about the placement? So little bit height I will give, and here you can see the corresponding height which I may require, and number of turns, that also you can see here, and I'm comfortable. Okay, just I will rotate it, and little bit scaling I'll apply here, and go to the move tool and place it perfectly here like this. So maybe this will be okay. Now we'll move to the corresponding other steps so that we can create the stars and other item to place it. So in this particular view you can see it is lifted at particular height, 7-8 tons you have. So I'll just update this. So you can have 7, and little bit the top radius you can decrease it. So I'm okay, fine with this output. So let us move to this placement of this stars. So initially we'll be placing it here, so you can see the master view here. So 3 different stars we can place it here. So we'll create and we'll place it. So for creating stars, I'll take the help of this particular star. Maybe this will be okay. Let us match with this. So inside hollow you have. So we'll go to the modify, select this, and here you can go for the rendering, and you can decrease the thickness. So this will be okay. So I'll assign the color. The color may be this, and I'll align at different locations. So I'll go to rotate, and I'll go to angular snap, right click, the angle will be 90. I'll place at different locations, so I'll go for the top view. I'll go to the move handle and I'll move it to place at different locations. So here I'll match with my requirement. So here I'll keep all this 3 different items. So I'll go to the top view and I'll copy this by pressing shift, and again I will go for another copy. I'll just rotate this. I'll place it here. I'll go to the top view, a little bit push it inside. And this probably I'll be putting it somewhere here. So anywhere you can put it. Just like that, we'll be creating other items. Then we'll be creating another stars where you don't have the inside hollow portions. So that will be putting it somewhere in 3 different locations. So just this one I will copy and I will modify the properties. So little bit more thickness I'll be assigning, and I will change the color to probably maybe this, and we'll put it in different locations. So before moving ahead, I'll little bit place it away so that the visibility will be clear. And all these 3 different items, little bit you need to scale it. The shape is little bit bigger, and this also you have to scale it, and we'll put it in our corresponding locations. I'll go to the top view and I'll put it outside, and some more copies. Shift, you will copy at different locations. Shift again, we'll put it at different locations. You can see this. Just like that, you have to decorate the complete tree by using different options which is shown here, and then we'll move the positions as per our requirement to different locations. Then we'll place these springs, and then we'll create these balloons and we'll place it. So small springs we have to create and we have to match it. These are the springs which you can hang. So what I will do is I'll use a trick. This particular spring I'll copy and I'll go for a scale, a global scale, and I will change the color to this one, and we'll place it at different locations. Maybe some other copies. Control C, by shift, some more copies you can put it, and then we'll go for our balloon. So for creating balloon, I'll be going for the standard primitive, your sphere. Once you create the sphere, you can go to scale and you can give your scale parameters, and we can have different colors assigned to your object. This will be my color. I'll place it at the required locations. So go to the top view and you can place it. So here little bit scaling we have to assign in this direction. So this we can place it now. At the corresponding different locations you can put it here. Go to the move and place it wherever you need. Go for a copy, maybe here, and so on. So in this way at different locations you can copy, and I will adjust the scaling. I'll go to the move handle and I'll put it. I'll go for scale again. I'll go to the move handle and put it at required locations. In this way you can move around and place different items, and you can create your Christmas tree. So in this way you can finish your project by adopting these steps which I have shown you. Thank you.